Are you a small business owner seeking financial support to grow and expand your business? Government business grants can provide valuable funding opportunities to help you achieve your goals. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of applying for a government business grant, empowering you with the knowledge and resources you need to secure funding for your business. Firstly, it's essential to research and identify government grant programs that align with your business's needs and objectives. Government agencies at the federal, state, and local levels offer various grant programs designed to support small businesses across different industries and sectors. Explore grant databases, government websites, and business support organizations to find relevant funding opportunities. Once you've identified potential grant programs, carefully review the eligibility criteria and application guidelines for each program. Eligibility requirements may vary based on factors such as your business size, industry, location, and specific project objectives. Ensure that your business meets all the eligibility criteria before proceeding with the application. Before starting the application process, gather all the necessary documentation and information required for the grant application. This may include business registration documents, financial statements, project proposals, business plans, and any other supporting documents specified by the grant program. When completing the grant application, provide thorough and accurate information about your business and the proposed project. Clearly articulate how the grant funds will be used to support your business objectives and contribute to economic growth and job creation. Tailor your application to meet the specific requirements of the grant program and highlight your business's strengths and capabilities. Submit your grant application by the specified deadline through the designated application portal or submission method. Be sure to double-check all the required fields and attachments to ensure that your application is complete and error-free. After submitting your application, be prepared to wait for the review and evaluation process. Government grant programs typically involve a competitive selection process, with applications evaluated based on criteria such as project feasibility, impact, and alignment with program objectives. If your grant application is successful, you'll receive notification of the grant award along with instructions on how to access the funds. Be sure to comply with any reporting requirements or funding conditions specified by the grant program to maintain eligibility and ensure proper use of the grant funds. In summary, applying for a government business grant requires careful planning, preparation, and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and leveraging available resources and support networks, you'll be well equipped to navigate the application process and secure funding to support the growth and success of your business.